Hey guys, welcome to my new channel called Destinations Unboxed. And what I'm unboxing today I'm unboxing a new drone which I purchased for myself. And this is a made in India drone, IZISKY Drone, and I purchased this for rupees 50,000. Very value for money drone, which compared to, let's say, DJI obviously it's also very good, but of course it's very costly. It starts more than 1 lakh plus, right? So this drone is value for money drone and definitely good to go for somebody who's starting their drone photography and videography. Just check that the box is sealed like how you see here. Yeah, and so I purchased this from the dealer Retinopics, and they're pretty good, very responsive delivery, and even after the sales, when you talk to them, they're very responsive. So definitely they're good authorized dealers. So here this particular drone comes with a nice carry kit, so that's very nice as well. So there you have, it's a nice carry kit. Okay, and all the parts and all the items what is required to fly this drone is all inside. Okay, so it's a good nice carry case what you get. Please pardon my left hand because it's all bandaged and because of a sports injury, and should be okay and very soon. So that's a power cord to charge the batteries. And also that same place we have also some propellers, spare propellers, right, in case if it breaks. Then of course that's a user manual. So as I said, I compared different models, and that's a charger, right? So unfortunately we just can charge only one battery at a time. I wish they had a charger which can charge 2 batteries. That's the obstacle avoidance sensor. Highly recommend that for everyone to have. It's about 6,000 rupees, 5,000, 6,000 rupees more. That's a remote controller. So the obstacle avoidance sensor is a very useful thing to have, so that your drone is safe when flying. So it's a value for money drone, and made in India. The support system is also good. I have contacted now the support team, and they're very responsive, both mail as well as on the phone. So that's another good thing, and you get a 1-year warranty. That's the helicopter, the aircraft, which is green color, which is also nice because visibility is there when it's flying. There was a gray model earlier that is discontinued. So that's the gimbal cover what you have. So it's covered. There's a small cover for the gimbal. That's the one. That's batteries. You get 2 batteries, which is also very nice because you get 2 batteries, 35 minutes of time, so which means about 70 minutes of flying time you get, which is very good, right? That's the second battery. Now the charger, you can charge only one at a time, but if you want from market Amazon, you can buy a charger which can charge 3 batteries at a time. In fact, I've ordered one along with another spare battery as well, so that way you will get a good battery time to fly around. Okay, that's a full set. What you see. So it's got 5 kilometer range compared to, let's say, DJI, which is about 20 kilometers. So it depends on what is your use. As I said, it's good for somebody who's starting their videography and drone photography and videography, right? Value for money. 4K videos can be done as well. So and that's a remote controller. That's aircraft. Then all the modes. The box has got all the information what is required in terms of different modes of flying, different types of shots what you can take, and so on. Okay, so that's the carry case, very nice. And then the charge cable, the 2 batteries, the sling for the carry case, then there's a user manual, the charger, then the obstacle avoidance sensor, then the aircraft itself, right? And then of course there are some spare propellers given as well, along with a screwdriver. So that's a full set for you. So that's a gimbal cover. It's covered like that, so you can remove it to protect the gimbal. So as I said, I've ordered a battery charging unit, which is 3 batteries can be charged from Amazon, right? So that totally, along with the battery, comes to about 11,000. So about totally I spent 61,000 rupees for this drone system, and hope to enjoy flying this and get you lot of videos and photography through this drone. So please subscribe to this channel and stay put so that you enjoy all the aerial photography from this drone. So access spare propellers, what I talked about. 2 batteries. The battery charging time is pretty long because there's no rapid charger. That's unfortunately the case. So it's better to have one more battery as a spare so that it helps. These are the 10 flying modes as possible as per this particular drone. So that's interesting. So let me test the drone flying. There it is. So these are my channels. So I would request you all to go and check it out and then subscribe to this channel so that you get all the videos and support me as well. Thank you so much.